In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a ManyChat account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Permanent deletion removes your workspace, flows, audience, and analytics, and it cannot be undone. If you think you might need anything later, take a moment to export any data you care about or save screenshots of important automations. Once we delete, there's no going back. Start in your ManyChat dashboard on the Home tab. From the left-hand sidebar, open Settings. This is where all the workspace level controls live. Inside Settings, choose the General section. You'll see the option to delete the account here, but ManyChat won't let you proceed until all connected channels are disconnected. That safeguard prevents orphaned connections, and make sure your page isn't still sending traffic to a bot you're about to remove. So let's disconnect Messenger first. In Settings, open the Messenger section, find the connected Facebook page, and click Remove. A confirmation box appears and asks you to type a word to verify that you understand the action. Type the word remove exactly as shown, then click remove to confirm. This breaks the link between your Facebook page and the ManyChat workspace, which stops broadcasts, flows, and triggers from running on that page. If you manage multiple pages, ensure you're removing the correct one for this workspace. With Messenger disconnected, head back to Settings and return to the General section. Now you're ready to permanently delete the account. Click Delete. You'll see another confirmation step designed to prevent accidental loss of data. Type the word delete in the confirmation field and click delete to finalize. ManyChat will process the request, and once it's done, the workspace and its data are permanently removed. You may be signed out automatically, and the workspace will no longer appear in your account. A few practical notes as you finish up. If this workspace had collaborators, they will immediately lose access once deletion is complete. If you were on a paid plan, deletion ends access to the workspace. Review your billing and make sure you've handled any necessary account matters ahead of time. Also, if you were using third-party tools that pointed to this workspace, make sure they're no longer referencing it to avoid broken links or errors. That's the full process. You started on the Home tab, went into Settings, checked General, switched to Messenger to remove the connected page by typing Remove, then came back to General to permanently delete the account by typing Delete. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll cleanly and permanently remove your ManyChat account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.